Hello Miss, hello friends. My name is Kevin Ferdian and today I'm going to talk about the blended learning method. What is a blended learning method? A blended learning method is a way of learning by combining two way of learning. The first is the offline learning method or the face-to-face live interaction between teachers and students. And then the second one is the online learning base or the online classroom system. This blended learning method have so many advantages, not only for school, but also for students and colleges. The first is for the school. For the school, they will save a lot more unnecessary expenses. For example, like a hard copy for syllabus, for homework sheets, assignment sheets, and etc. etc. So they will have more saving for their student or for their building. And then for the student is they will have a reduced overcrowded class. So in class usually they will have a lot of students, so they will not learn correctly because it's too many students. That's why an overcrowded class is not very good in learning. So in these advantages, students will no longer have an overcrowded class, so they can learn correctly. And then for the colleges is almost the same like the school. They will save a lot more expenses. And for the student of colleges, it will be they will have a lot more confident, because if they only using a live interaction between teacher, the student and the lecturer, they will intimidated by the lecturer or the way of the learning itself. So in this online and offline learning method based, they will have a lot more confidence and they will also learn in their own pace and find their voice in the online discussion forum. So this is pretty good for the shy student in colleges. And then how is it works? So the way of the blended method work is you split the learning time into two parts. The first part is the online, and the second part is the offline. So for example, like you want to learn this subject A. In subject A, for example, you have 1 hour to learn. The 30 minutes is to learn offline with the teacher, and the other 30 minutes, you will have an online based learning. Like you go search this material, you search that material, and then you discuss it. This way of learning is pretty good because they will train you to work with others. But there is a challenge in this learning method. The challenge is, the first one is not a lot of teacher and student, they do not have the instrument or the media to use for the online learning method. For example, the student didn't have any handphone or didn't have any laptop, and the teacher cannot use laptop or cannot use handphone or didn't get any internet connection whatsoever. And this is one of the main challenges because especially in Indonesia itself, there is still a lot of small area that internet not covered. So this is a pretty big challenge for this blended method. But for me, I think that blended method is really good for our education in Indonesia, because in this modern era, there is no kids that still opening books, what reading some newspaper or anything else. They will use their handphone or their gadget. So in this learning modern era, we must use these advantages or this gadget to implement with the old school way. So the student will not get easily bored, because if they get easily bored, they will not learn anything, and they will not hear or understand anything from the teacher or the lecturer. So I think that this method is worth to try in Indonesia. So that is it, guys. Thank you.